Hey guys, welcome back to another awesome video. Today it was raining like a lot. Yeah, a lot. Very a lot. It was raining so much. Before it was like raining a lot, but now the rain stopped and everything's soaking wet. And yeah, dude, then the car is interrupting me. And it's like, yeah, so rainy. Okay. Yeah. And yeah, it's raining a lot. So I just wanted to, that's it for today guys. I just wanted to show you the wet things and yeah, that's it for today guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, do those 4 things. Smash that like button and the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the bell at the subscribe button, and you can, if you wanna, you can comment down and what kind of videos do you want me to post, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.